Beer, one of the world's oldest and most cherished beverages. But behind every frothy pint lies a centuries-old tradition, a perfect blend of science, craftsmanship, and passion. Today we take you on a journey through the art of brewing beer, from grain to glass.
I woke up in the morning to crack myself a beer, then went down to the kitchen to grab myself a beer. Made myself some breakfast, another beer, of course.
It all begins with barley, the foundation of beer. In the malting process, barley is soaked in water, allowing it to sprout. This germination process activates enzymes, which are crucial for converting starches into fermentable sugars. Once the grains sprout, they are dried in kilns to stop the process. This drying phase, known as kilning, determines the malt's flavor, color, and aroma, key characteristics that will shape the final beer. Next, the malt is crushed into grist and added to hot water. This mixture, called the mash, is gently heated, allowing the enzymes to break down the starches into sugars. This is where the magic happens, creating the liquid base called wort. Different temperatures during mashing will influence the body and sweetness of the final beer. Precision is key. Now it's time for the yeast to do its work. After boiling, the wort is cooled and transferred to fermentation tanks, where yeast is added. This is where the real transformation occurs. Yeast converts the sugars into alcohol and carbon dioxide. The choice of yeast strain plays a critical role in the beer's flavor, creating anything from fruity notes to spicy or earthy undertones. Once matured, the beer is filtered to remove unwanted particles, ensuring clarity and purity. Carbonation, either naturally produced during fermentation or added later, gives beer its effervescence. Every bubble is a sign of a well-crafted beer, ready to be enjoyed. Finally, the beer is packaged into bottles, cans, or kegs, ready to be shipped to pubs, restaurants, and homes around the world. Each bottle carries the dedication and artistry of the brewers who crafted it. Beer connects us across cultures, geographies, and generations. From its humble beginnings in ancient civilizations to today's craft beer revolution, the brewing process remains a testament to human ingenuity and tradition. So, the next time you sip on your favorite beer, remember the journey it took, from field to fermenter to your glass. Cheers. This has been The Art of Brewing. Thank you for joining us on this journey.